Once, in a vast and prosperous African kingdom, there lived a great king named Kabari. He was known for his wisdom and fairness, but he had one flaw. He believed that intelligence belonged only to the elders. He often dismissed the wisdom of the young, believing they lacked experience. One day, to prove his belief, the king summoned the wisest elders and the brightest young men of the kingdom. He presented them with a riddle and declared, "Whoever answers this riddle correctly will be rewarded with riches, but if no one answers, I will prove that wisdom comes only with age." The entire court listened in silence as the king spoke. What is the most powerful thing in the world? Yet it cannot be seen, held, or measured. The elders stroked their beards and whispered among themselves. Some said it was the sun, others claimed it was the wind, but none of their answers pleased the king. Then, from the back of the court, a young boy named Juma stepped forward. He was the son of a poor farmer, but he had always been known for his quick thinking. "Your Majesty," Juma said with confidence, "the most powerful thing in the world is a promise. It cannot be seen, held, or measured, yet it has the power to build kingdoms or destroy them." The court gasped. The king's eyes widened. Jumat continued, "A ruler's promise can bring peace or war. A father's promise can give hope to a child. A broken promise can shatter trust forever. That is why a promise is more powerful than any weapon, wealth, or army." The hall fell silent. The king, humbled by the boy's wisdom, stood from his throne. "Today, a young boy has shown me that wisdom does not belong only to the old. It belongs to those who see the world with clear eyes and an open heart." The king rewarded Juma with gold and made him a royal scholar. From that day on, the kingdom honored both the wisdom of the elders and the intelligence of the young. Moral of the story: wisdom is not measured by age, but by understanding. Even the smallest voice can carry the greatest truths. So, if you want to share this story with more people, please like this video. I'll see you next time with another story like this. So be patient, be grateful, and keep moving forward in life.